Hey, what are you doing? Are you vacating the shop?
You made me vacate now. Before Velpandi comes and sees the shop, let me go somewhere with my family and make a living.
Hey, are you vacating the shop listening to a girl's words? Don't you even trust me?
Dude, since you want to become a family man, looks like you'll make me lose my family. I will join with you and do business and become big Ambani. All these dreams, okay man? Enough is enough. Leave me.
Hey, listen to me, man. We'll do something else.
The day you die, I'll come to torture
Why
your
are you
son's
getting
head.
tense like this?
Okay, I'm not becoming tension. With all coolness I'm telling, please leave me. Get lost. I'm leaving. I'll go
In that
somewhere
case,
and...
give me the key and go.
I myself am vacating the shop. Why you
But
want the
my
key?
things are here, right?
Things,
Hey,
diamonds.
what are
and
you doing?
gems.
What are you doing?
Gold
Listen to
stone
me.
briefs.
No, please, don't.
Go away. Take that. Dude, do you have any common sense? They're insulting people like us by throwing rotten tomatoes. And she is... I can't even imagine it, man. Just send her away.
Teacher, please come inside.
Dude, poor women may not know if boys do anything. We've committed many mistakes unknowingly. Please don't do a mistake knowing it. Don't care about money. Please don't embarrass her. Send her away.
Leave me. I'll take care of this. Teacher, please come inside. Hello, boys. Her name is Annapurni. She'll be your class teacher from today.
Boss, we don't need this teacher. Ask Parimala teacher to come.
1 minute. Whether you like it or not, she will be taking classes for you now. Are you all done? Teacher, the class is yours now.
Bhaskar, just a minute. Though you know I am visually impaired, you have confidence in me and gave me this opportunity. I'll definitely keep it up, your confidence with me. Though I can't see you, I have done MSc and MPhil to teach you. You people passing 10th class is not a big deal. You just think about it. I have seen before more mischievous acts than this. No matter whatever you do, I'll not stop taking classes. After I teach you, even if one student passes, I'll be so happy that I have got back my vision. Okay? Good luck.
Hey, don't leave, man. Come on. Please sit inside the class. Please, don't leave. Hey, what are you doing? Please don't go. Hey, please wait. Don't go.
Students, nothing urgent. Copy this patiently. Max isn't so tough as you think. Have you understood what I have written? Please write everything in your note. Density of round is pi I r2h. If you by heart this formula, you can solve this problem very easily. If you have any doubt in max, just ask me. I'll teach you. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes?
chalk piece.
Thank you so much, dear. What's your name?
Paul Pandi.
Okay, go to your place and listen the class.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, students, have you understood this problem? Please note it down. Next, we will see about the density of a cone.
Hey, man, don't you want to pass? Please go inside the class. Please attend the class. Don't you want to pass this exam?
Hey,
come on, please.
get inside the class.
class is going on.
Hey, get inside the class. Get inside the class. Get inside the class. Go. Go, man. Get in. You too. Get in, man. Hey, get inside. Want me to say one by one? Get in. I say get in. Go, guys. Get in. Hey, get in.
Oh my god, you should only help me. My son, you should never worry for anything. Is there a way to escape? See before that. Okay. My son, just go and check the result.
Okay, Daddy. Please bless
Live
me.
long, my lion cub. Victory is ours.
Hey. Hey, look, he's coming.
Brother, what happened? Why are you crying? What happened? My lion cub should not cry. Oh my god!
What do we do now? What is this, man?
Sir, what happened? Brother, if you yourself cry like this, what will we do? Brother, has our brother failed again? Just tell yes, I will kill both of these guys. Don't you know the difference between sad tears and happy tears? What I'm shedding now is because of happiness. My son, this lion cub, has passed his 10th standard. Hey, we've all passed. Come on, let's enjoy. Put the garland. Lift these ceremonies. Come on. Nalatambi, the saloon is for you. Take it. Keep it with you. I don't want any interest. Come on, guys. Let's go to the temple and celebrate.
Bro, that wine bottle you forgot.
Hey, wait. Give it to me. Take this.
Thanks,
Nalatambi,
bro.
drink and create any kind of ruckus. I am here to help
Okay.
you. Come on, guys.
Thank you, bro.
Bye.
Buddy, you've made so many sacrifices.
Thank you.
I don't have anything, buddy. Hey, but I have one thing to give you.
What?
My life. Take it, man. Take it, buddy.
Hey, why are you taking my life instead of taking yours? Now that you got everything clear the way.
No, my brother. Now I have money and car. But then, he insulted us without giving even a penny as loan. Hell. I can't even think about it. You are my real friend. Now come, let's go.
Dude, you go enjoy with your girl. I have a small work. I'll finish that and come.
After solving all problems as he had wished, Bhaskar, who was going to conduct his sister's marriage, he didn't know then there was a big problem for him to marry Chandrika.
Dude, what I'm trying to tell is, just listen to me, man.
You will not be able to marry Chandrika.
What are you blabbering?
I'm not blabbering, man. I'm telling the truth. Your sister's marriage will happen, but not yours.
Just get lost. this being an auspicious day.
Listen my words, dude. Though you think I'm talking bad on this auspicious day, you feel bad about me also, no problem. Promisely your marriage will not happen. Even now if I don't tell this, I'm not your true friend. Because you are my true friend.
Hey, take your hands off me. Are you a real friend? I know you're jealous of me.
Me?
Yes, you. Look here. Today is my sister's marriage and very soon I'll also get married. Do you understand? Just go away from here.